Good morning everyone, today we look at another Casio watch review. Sorry for if I sound a little bit funny, it's because I'm stuck with a cold and the day of recording this I've still got one. So anyway, enough about that. We're going to have a look at one of the Casio MDV range today. So initial look at the boxes. Casio never seem to go overboard with how their box is designed. It's a simple glossy cardboard box effect to it, and it simply pulls out like so for most of them, revealing a simple display box. So unfold that lip. Again, very sort of cheap components inside there, just a simple card effect on it. So here we go, this is the Casio Casual Batman MDV edition with a 44mm case diameter and a 12mm case thickness. It retails on Amazon for around about £73, weighs 49 grams according to the specs, and uses a 2784 S64 battery, well, a 2784 quartz movement with an S64 battery. So it's a very common battery in the back of it. So let's have a look at the face. So the face is, as you can see from the light reflecting around it, is a sunray black style dial with fully luminous increments and fully luminous hands. Nice little luminous square around the date dial at 3 PM. Small date dial, no Cyclops eye, and a blue Batman inspired sort of seconds hand. And yes, as you can see, it's more of a diver's watch for this one because it's water resistant to 200 meters. Also has 20 ATM. So inside the actual face, you've got those sort of plain dotted markings all the way inside there. No sort of serial number inside the face that you might expect from a Rolex. Coming out to the bezel, it's a simple bezel with a nice clicker as well. So it's a decent movement to that clicker mechanism. Unidirectional. It secures nicely. There's not much play when you turn it back the opposite direction. Nice and secured in place. It's quite a nice style watch, to be fair. I think I've done a review of the Pepsi one, I can't remember. Going to the casing, full stainless steel casing, going all the way around here. Go around to the crown, bit of crown protection. Crown's quite a nice crown because it doesn't feel cheap when you pull that out to the first position, and it shouldn't do for a diver's watch really. And it's a nice secure second position click. There's a fairly strong movement to the crown there. It's a little bit flimsy, but again, you're gonna see that £73 show somewhere on the watch. But this is not too bad for a crown. It's probably just on the lighter side for crown movement. It is a screw down crown, I believe. Yeah, it is a screw down crown. I thought initially that it was a pop out, but it is not, it's a screw down. So coming down to the strap, this is a resin strap, 22mm in diameter. So if you ever wanted to change that, you need a 22mm strap to fit in that case there. Full resin finish going all the way down here. A plain stainless steel buckle. The strap is held in a single holder. The strap has actually got little grippers on the side of it as well, built to stay on the wrist, which is, I quite like these with rubber straps as well, because then it holds it on your wrist at a loose position. So if you ever wanted to wear it in a sort of a slightly different position that you might not need to, that needs a looser fit, it will hold onto the wrist a bit better. Yeah, nice gripping system in there, and a nice variety of windows to hold onto that strap. Coming down to the back of the case, you've got a screw back case and a few little markings on here just if you want to familiarise yourself with the movement. So you've got a Japanese movement in there. MDV107, that's the one. 2784. So there we go, that is the Casio Casual Batman MDV edition.